Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. This is the LT Cruiser version, touring windscreen, touring bars. It's got a beautiful custom saddle, rear backrest, only 8,300 miles on this gorgeous white wall belt drive mid-size V-twin. Come on by, check it out. Make your mid-size V-twin cruiser dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.